Which question you want to ask?
सर काल रॉय नायक आणि रवी नायक दोन्ही पोत आणि तो म्हणटा की तो रॉय नायक कशें जाता
सी BJP पार्टी पडे हा जितले मनशांक तेणी टार्गेट केले ते चोर तेंगे कॅरेक्टर एसेसिनेशन केला तितल्यांक ते घेवन गेले ते असले मनीस म्हणपाचे की तो मी नवेच म्हणपाचे तेंकोडे पण इतू फास्ट फोट मारपा जाता इतू फास्ट तेंकोडे चेंज करपा जाता ते म्हाका स्वता गोंयच्या लोकांक तेंक भिवपा जाय ते जो तर हे लिडरां करूं शकताय लोक तुका मन निवडून हाडटा आनी तुगे पार्टी लिडर कोत्ताय तूं दुसरी पार्टी लिडरांक टानिश कोत्ता आनी दुसरी पार्टी लिडरांक व्हत्ता आनी आपणागे पार्टींत घालता एंट्री दिता विदाउट प्रिंसिपल्स हे लोकांनी हेंचे सारखे नदर दवरपा जाय आनी लोकांनी हेंकां बूत शिकोवपा जाय कित्याक हे जो तर लिडरांक चिकान करूं शकताय तेंगे कॅरेक्टर चेंज करता आनी तें करूंक शकता जाल्यार लोकांक कितें कोतले तेका लागून म्हणल्यार ते व्हडले मनीस ते हितू युटर्न फास्ट मारपी आनी तेंक लोकां पोण गेले ना तेंक पावरान रावपा जाय दे डोंट केअर तेंक प्रिंसिपल स्पीक कांय ना दिस इज द BJP पार्टी डेफिनेशन ऑफ BJP पार्टी what principles they should stand out for they have forgotten आता दोघंही गेले इथे I don't want to talk about it because I am fed up talking I am fed up telling my party also that you are doing wrong things I don't want to tell anybody now that who is doing wrong things but बहुजन समाजाक जे आमगे पार्टीन लीडर जो तर वचपा लागले जाल्यार we have to watch for we have to do something we can't allow this to just open our back door and say let everybody go no we have to do something आमी जो तर बरें काम केलें सारके मनशांक घेवन आतां कितें जालें तें जाणा तूं from 17 we have come down to I don't know how much I keep forgetting people of Goa also forget how many MLAs are there I am a congressman I am a Congress MLA and that's it we have to watch for these things and there is no party न्यू मनशां काडपाक जावं न्यू काम करपाक जावं विश्वास पत्त बसोवपाक आमगे पार्टीको जाता जाय जाल्यार पूण रायट पीपल हॅव टू गो ऑन द जॉब एंड दे कॅन डू इट मीन्स दॅट्स इट
सर फाटल्या दिसान जायते काँग्रेसी MLA गेलो आहाय सो एनी चान्स आर देर लायक अगेन दे आर कमिंग बॅक एंड जॉयनिंग टू द काँग्रेस द पर्सन हू हॅज लेफ्ट द काँग्रेस
सी दॅट्स अ पार्टी कॉल बट आय फील पर्सनली that no one should be taken in those who have gone out that it will create it will create the trust with the voters have we will lose it even more I feel that we should not take anybody those who have gone out it should not be that somebody just goes out and comes back
so is the high time to reorganize the Congress should reorganize
yesterday the acting party president said that he has got permission to reorganize the party I don't know whether this was part of the plan of the reorganization this can't be it has to be a different style next government pad jato is going to be people's government where people and people's needs have to be taken care without which you will not be able to function this is my say and people are not going to just take it lightly for the next elections
so how is your relation with the Congress because every time there is a protest we never see you that what is the reason behind that
in 2012 if you have noticed I'll just take back to history I was the only MLA Congress MLA assembly उलयतालो अशें म्हूण हांव म्हणना सगळे म्हणटाले I took Parrikar from 2012 Parrikarak एकल्या मनशाक U-turn म्हणपाक मास्टर ऑफ U-turn म्हणपाक हांव आहलोलो हे थोडे आमगे आमदार आतपड कोण मुजे उलयताय जावं पार्टी मॅन मुजे उलयताय ते हुंय आहले हांव जाणा आहलो ते हुंयची भिडां गेले ते म्हाका खबर नासले 2012 सान आज पासून I am still attacking the BJP हांव BJP हांव काँग्रेस हांव हितून सॉरी हांव गोवा फॉरवर्ड वयता हांव BJP वयता म्हण दीस काडटाय आय बिकम अ पंचिंग बॅग. कोण येयलो कितें उलयलें जालें नो. हांव BJPंत वचोन येयलो मनीस न्ही, हे सगळे वचोन येयलो मनीस. हे कितकोन आज पड तुका जर तर थोडी खबर जाय जाल्यार यू आस्क रवी नाईक, ही विल टेल यू वॉट इज हॅपनिंग. You ask the opposition, what opposite of the people opposite these fellows, you ask, they will know what is the things. Munge kai na, I am a Congress MLA. I have worked from 2012 till today. Even MP elections, last time I contested against the BJP candidate. I know how we contested, but I contested on the Congress. Mak sangla kon Vijay again gela kon Goa forward. I contested on a Congress platform. Last elections, for the MP elections, I supported Shardin. I don't want to even talk about it. I supported him being he is my worst enemy. Then mak 3 election Congress candidate asun pasun mak tras kela. Kurture constituency 3 election Congress candidate asun then maka oppose kela. Anyway, let him do. I have won, so I have forgiven him. Forget about it. White Kuttek, white metta. War Kuttek, war metta. I have worked for the Congress party. I have won 3 times. I have in fact contested again the 3rd time. But MP tek support kela. And Turiason जो तरी Congress party मनीस आहे सांगपाक हांव Congress सोडटा, हांव गोवा फॉरवर्ड वयता, कोण BJP वयता. आतां मगे बर्थडेक ते फोटो सर्क्युलेट करताय. आमगेले मनीस करताय. BJP करताय, they are my enemies. They don't belong to my party. गोवा फॉरवर्ड थोडे करताय, तेंकाय कोणी प्रॉब्लेम ना. आणि फेसबुक थोडे आहाय ते पेड फिक्स. हांव अजून देखून काँग्रेसी आहां तेंका सांगता. आय एम स्टील अ काँग्रेस MLA. हे ऑफिस मुझे एलिगेशन करताय. They sitting in the same office. This was a storeroom. This was a storeroom. It was dumb. पेंट देखून आलो आहे का, कर्टन पडलेली. हिचे फाटल्यान ती कर्टन पडलेले. टेबल पडलेले, हांवें पॉलिश मारला. कबर्ड पयलींच्यो स्टोरान उडयलेल्यो. सोफा पयलींचे. कंप्युटर आनी खंयसान हाडले, थंयच्यान काण कोणागेले उरलेले बी. हें ऑफिस I get it by right because I work against the government. Even they recognize my services that I am working against the government. From 2012 non-stop. हुई हें केलें ना, हुई गद्दारी केलो ना पार्टी बलेक. अजून देखून पार्टी काम केला. पयर असेंब्ली इलेक्शन, पयर असेंब्लींत आय हॅव शॉटेड देर. भायर स्वता आसतना हांवें म्हणलें का सगळ्यांक BJP उरलो आहा तें काबार करया आनी हाय म्हण हांवें म्हणलां. आय वॉज शाउटींग देर डावन. आनी इतलें करून जर तर हांव काँग्रेस ऑफिसरान थोडे म्हणटाय जाल्यार हांव BJP आय डोंट नो. गॉड फॉरगिव देम. माय इंट्रस्ट इज द पीपल. लोकांक लागून कितें करपाक रेडी हांव. कोण कितें उलोवं, म्हणजे जाय जावं उलयते. इनसिग्निफिकंट. ते काम करनाय. आमी काम करताय लोकांक. 30 आनी रात. काल एको दिसा काम सांग तुका पयर राती कडेन 3 o'clock in the morning आमी झाड मारला इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटच्या. आज पासून 2 झाड मारले. आमी मारले, हेल्प केलें आमगे डिपार्टमेंटाक. कित्याक तेंको जायना म्हणून. दिस इज आवर वर्क. कोण म्हणटाय आमदारान काम करपाचें काय म्हणटाय झाड मारपाचें. तें बारीक मनशाक तोच जाणा इम्पॉर्टन्स त्या झाडाचें. तेंगे घराचे पट्टी तेच जाणा इम्पॉर्टन्स तेंक पावतले कोण ते. हे कोण वयर ऑफिसां बसून AC कॅबिनार रावन कमेंट मारताय ते आमचेर आनी प्रेस काडटाय ते आमचेर तेंक कोण ना. आनी थोडे मनीस जे म्हणटाय हांव कोण BJP वचपाक आनी कितें. आय हॅव बीन विथ द काँग्रेस पार्टी फ्रॉम 2000. I don't know when. I was one of the block presidents of the Congress party when 5 जाण देखून काँग्रेसान नासले सारके ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट. अजून देखून काँग्रेसीन तूं हां कोण म्हणटा हांवें गेले आज पासून काँग्रेसी हां. आमगे सगळे गेलोले आनी येयलोले मनीस. एनीवे, forget about it. Let's continue our work for the people. My work for my people will not stop under any circumstances.
If suppose tomorrow the BJP offers you the ticket, so what will be your stand on that? If suppose BJP offers you ticket in coming election,
Ticket in writing that I will not contest on the BJP ticket. come what may. Let all these fellows go to the BJP also. Whoever wants to go, let them go to the BJP. I will not contest on the BJP. So,
So does Congress itself is feeling insecure about you because you may be the heavyweight in Congress,
I am a humble man.
but
They
people
should-
do follow you.
I agree fully. I love the people. And my first priority is my people. So those who are talking, those who are doing what they want, let them enjoy themselves. By the way, if they don't talk, I will also not work harder. That is my mantra here. So let them continue talking, because if they stop, I will stop working. That is, now I tend to sleep. So I am also telling them, Baba, you continue your talks. Let us work. I'm loka kite kurba nahi. First thing, next government padha. To maksada boro government jai loka. People are fed up of all these things. This cannot be tolerated. What is happening? This attitude, this the functioning, the prognosis, the the action plan, or rather think यहाँ पर कि चलो था ते environment बननी, लोका बननी, कोणा बननी, ये माशे change करपाक वावरी आमी. I pray that the next government is able to fulfill the wishes. I am fully there to do any work without any aspirations. कोण ministers जावपाक, कोण आनी कितें जावपाक जाय, सोड खबर. लोकां बरें करपाक हें आमगे काम जावपाक जाय. Forget. देवा जाय जाल्यार जायत जावपाक शकता. देवा नाक जाल्यार कांयच. I only pray to God that we have a very good government which will be which will where people should proud say आमगे government.
Sir, okay, now on a very serious note, आता one day assembly आसलो ताचे उपरांत तुम्ही गव्हर्नराक गेलो मेळपाक. So after that what happened?
I think it's wise enough for you to ask the opposition leader, but then there must have been some follow-up from the government, from the opposition leader, about what has been done. But if he says something that we have to do something, we are there with him. There is no question.
So what was the proposal you have put it in front of the governor?
We had asked that all the bills which were given be set aside. We had asked that there be proper discussions. We had asked that we need more time for assembly, and certainly the assembly was not enough, because all these things cannot be done. And more so, COVID what is happening in the hospitals, what is happening in the state. We have been right now pandemic time. And last, one of the things was relief to people. IT bill उणी करपाची, जावं उदका बिल उणी करपाची, जावं आयडेंटिफाय कोण जे मनशाक पॅकेज जाय तांकां पॅकेज दिवपाची, तांकां कितें दिवपाचें, or rather those people who are going hungry, that they should not go hungry म्हण त्या डायरेक्शनान we did our job to go to the government.
But was it a wrong move to step out from the assembly during the assembly hours?
See, please understand that we didn't step out from the assembly. We were thrown out by the assembly. That notion that people look ते फामाद हे मनीस बीजेपीतून जाणा कितें तें तुमी नवे म्हणपाक तेच, आनी सेकंड हें करपाक बेश्तो एक सिट्युएशन क्रिएट करपाक स्पिकरान आमकां नेम कोन्न भायर मारले. वी हॅव नॉट वॉकड आउट ऑफ द असेंब्ली. We were making noise, we were staging a dharna, but we have not walked out. He has named us and thrown us out, because they knew that every bill we would come in, we would create ruckus for them. That's why first only name and throw you out was the plan given to him. That speaker abadiyat and dil astale plan of action of the BJP.
So in this all we have seen one more thing happening, that Kiran Kandokar has came out openly and said he will going to form up the party. How is he for that?
See, I look at the analysis. Analysis is very simple. It looks like a plan of the BJP to send him to see how rough is the sea. आणि ते पळय बहुजन समाज वोट आहाय ते वोट हें करपाक ते आनी नवे लिडर तयार जायना जाच्याक थिंगे तेंगे आनी कोण लिडर जायत म्हण तेका पयलो काबार करपाक हें प्लॅनिंग म्हाका दिसता. एज पर एनालिसीस, I may be wrong, but then the other side is that if it really works out something, we are there, no doubt. But I feel that somehow if you have these splinter groups, governance pede jata. It's better to have better government with more of like चड स्प्लिंटर ग्रुप जाल्यार मागीर तें जाता एक पार्टी गवर्नमेंट जालो आनी कितें जालें चड मेंबर एक पार्टी आसल्यार मातशें बरें जाता नो डावट अबाउट इट बट देन इट्स सडनली आय लूक एट इट दॅट तें अशें प्लॅनिंग कितें जाल्यार केलां घुसपट करपाक आनी कांय ना लोकां मदें हें करपाक पेंडेमीक टायमाचेर तूं कोत्ता हें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना हें तुगे सारकें म्हूण could have waited for some more time. It's never too late to do something new. But I certainly want a good government for this. For that, I will be ready to compromise and do whatever possible for a good government. But आमकां आतां एक्सपिरियन्स जाला कोण शिकान केलें कोण कितें केलें तें आम ऑलरेडी एक्सपिरियन्स जालें ते मिस्टेक परत करपा नाय आनी करपा दिवपाचें नाय.
So the last question from my side regard to COVID 60 ups, how you see for them?
कोविडाचेर आज पासून टेस्ट क्लियर जायनाय क्वॉरंटायनाचेर तीन दीस जाले आज पासून केस 3 दीस जाले हॉटेलांक घालतले हांव नेना आमी स्कॅम म्हणटा आजून देखून तेंगे स्कॅम म्हणटा बंद जायना ते सारके शेमलेस जाले आज पासून टुडे दिस इज द सिट्युएशन कोविड टेस्ट पडे हाय ते आजून देखून तुगे सारके जायना मास टेस्टिंग जायना हॉस्पिटल केअर कांय जायना आय थिंक ओन्ली गॉड इज सेइंग अस डेथ्स पडे हाय ते देंवय नाय आनी दोतोरां मन रिजेंटमेंट तेंय देंवना आय डोंट नो दिस इज द सिट्युएशन एज अ सायड आय ओन्ली होप दॅट आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू क्रिटिसायज एनीबडी आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू क्रिटिसायज द डॉक्टर्स आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू क्रिटिसायज एनीबडी बट वन थिंग इज शुअर आमकां देव सांबाळटा ही भिवपाक गरज ना म्हण ती आनी ना भिवपाक गरज आहा फकत देव सांबाळटा हें मातशें तें करेक्शन करपाचें भिवपाक गरज ना देव सांबाळटा म्हण आमकां government samana. So if at all they don't take steps, I don't know what will be the situation. We see the number of cases that are increasing. So I feel that we should have some more expert advice and something more can be done. In fact, we are fed up telling the government as an opposition. Today the situation arisen because they have not listened to us. Had they listened to us to some of the suggestions in the beginning itself, आपणाक शाणपण करून नासतना आज जातालो आनी आज इतू सिट्युएशन वायट जावपाचें.
सो दोतोर म्हणटकूच ते न्यू रिसंट ट्रान्सफर ऑफ डॉक्टर आयरा आनी दीपिक केलो केस हॉस्पिसियोची
दॅट इज द इंटरनल मॅटर आमी उलयताय नो डावट बट आमी कितें उलयताय तितलें तें कोण नाय सो इट इज दे मस्ट बी हॅविंग वॉट इन मायंड when they have their own transfers own this that is their lookout we are not concerned with it but then we have raised issues whatever issues I have raised the right issues but the politics involved in all those things I am not there.